welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert. And because yesterday's video was such a cluster F, I promise you this video will be longer and much better, and I will be able to do much more today. Yesterday I left you. I have not put on the wood on the base structure yet. I did it today after work, so you don't have to see me doing this. And it's secure now, and it's level, and everything looks very good. So we are ready. The base construction is finished, and there's so much to it. It's very simple. If you have good materials, it will be very easy. You see, I have built this of small pieces of wood. You can do that too, but it takes a little bit longer time, of course. The whole idea is just to have something secure for the polytunnel to stand on. So you can secure something stable when it's storming, so the structure holds better. It can't just rip from the ground and fly away, or yeah, it's much more difficult for the weather and storms to demolish, or the snow, as we have a problem here. Yeah, so since this is finished, I think we go straight to assembly, because that is the fun thing. I want to start assembly my whole polytunnel, and I'm so curious because in the previous video for a long time ago, it is a very low price polytunnel. It's come straight from the China. The thickness of the pipes are like, they are minuscule. So we'll put it together, we will see the quality, but we'll see how far we can come today. My goal today is to have the whole metal structure finished and standing somewhere. That is the whole purpose of this video, and I hope we can reach that. And that means tomorrow we can start put over the plastic and start securing it, and you know, all the fine adjustments that will be, and then we can start talking about what we'll do inside. So let's assemble. So what do we have here? We have our manual how to build it. We have our semicircle, the pipes that is for the roof structure, as you can see there. And of course over there we have the very, very thin pipe. I think they will be the base, and also the lines that interconnect the half circles to become more rigid, and also the flat iron things over there. I can't know if you see it. They will be the diagonal support structure in the ends of the semicircles. So, as a Swede who is born and raised on IKEA, I love manuals, of course. And I love good manuals, but this is a Chinese from the Swedish or European company Vida XL. Low price, everything, they buy everything from China. So, and the whole structure is like, yeah, well, it's 4 pictures. The first picture, it shows like this, and it shows like we should do the base rectangle of the straight pipes first, interconnect in the corners, and then start putting the first couple of semicircles around it, and the diagonal support too. You can see that there too. So we do the square, we put on the first layer of the semicircles, the diagonal. Second picture is of course the next layer of the semicircle roof. The third one, well, you could guess, it's just ending everything. And you see we have one support here. It's one support of the straight pipes here, and of course it will be one more on the roof. So it's the rectangle is straight lines, this one is straight lines, roof is straight lines, and on the other side straight lines. Not much. And then of course the last picture, probably do that tomorrow, is put the plastic cover on top. Yeah, so let's start and see how many different parts we need. Since the manual show everything in numbers, as you can see, we need to have, in one end, we need to have 1 5, 1 3, 1 4, and 1 5 to have the one short end. The 5s are a special one that have a flat, curved, like a grip, and these are these ones. Those are these ones, I mean. So I need to have 2 5s, 1 3, and 1 4 in the first short end. In the next short end, it's the same thing. 1 5, 1 3, 1 4, and 1 5. So that's simple. Let's assemble the 2 short lines of the base rectangle. Every pipe section is locked in place with a classical bolt and tightening nut like this, and we do this endlessly on all the sections, and over there you have the other short end. The short ends are now connected like that. So now we start with the long ends. But you see, the problem here is we need to connect all the straight pipes. It's 10 number 3 and 2 4s. At the same time, we also need to do all the first of the curvation, the number 2s, because in the corner, as you can see, they are connected straight away. Also, if you look, when you connect 2 pipes here of the straight, at the same time, we connected the first of the semicircle. And the same thing over there. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 2, 10, 3, and 2, 4. I think that is correct. And of course, we need to have, of course, the diagonals too. There will be a lot of pipes in this step. I just lay out everything on the ground here, so I have something to start and see where to start. The interesting thing of the curved ones, 7 of them were actually only named number 7, and the rest of the 35 were number 1. And that was because on this side, it's 7, the only 7 curved number 2. Those are number 1, and the rest on both sides across the whole semicircle would be number 1. Only these 7 will be number 2. There's probably some very significant reason why. And of course, I already started to put in the both part that we will connect, and that will be the diagonal support. So I will start in this corner. I will do the corners first, so we start getting some, rigidness. Yeah, so we can support everything between one corner to the next corner. So first this corner, then that corner, and then support, then assemble the rest of the way. This is as far as we've come today. It's 5 o'clock, but we made all the base now. We put the first layers of the curved one on both sides, even though I lay them down on the other side because I don't want it to wiggle too much. But other than that, yeah, it looks good. It takes a bit long time because you have to screw all the different fastenings like that. But I think it will be good. Tomorrow we will connect the long pipes that goes from this level, as you can see over there too, and then we have 3 more curved sections to have the whole roof. And after that I will need help, and then we will move everything and put it on top of the wooden base structure, and we can tighten it, and then we do the cover. Yay! We will soon have a polytunnel. I hope you like this video. I'm a little bit sunburnt now. I've been out too long in the sun and very white skin. I hope you like this video, and like, subscribe, give me comments, and see you tomorrow when we continue on with the polytunnel and finish it. Goodbye.